angel of God,
My guardian dear, from God who makes me hear. Ever He steady at my side to light and guide, to rule and guide. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Lhorvie.
Okay, good morning. How's your day? Did you study your lesson yesterday?
Yes.
Or wala lang?
Study po, Ma'am.
Okay,
Study
let's check
po,
your attendance first before we proceed. Sheena Marie Kalagahan.
Ma'am.
Bernadette Laurito.
Present po, Ma'am.
And Marie Antoinette Hustol.
Present po, Ma'am.
Okay, please settle down. Let's start our discussion. Okay, I have something here. What is GCD? What is, in your own opinion, in your own understanding, in your elementary days? Siyempre, elementary niya dyan, no? GCD. GCD. What is GCD? GCD is greatest common divisor. Okay. Let's have some example. What is the GCD? GCD is a number that divides each of the given numbers. For example, 15 and 12. What number that can divide 15 and 12? Bernadette, a number that can divide 15 and 12.
3 po, Ma'am.
3. Okay, let's check. 15 divided by 3. 5. 12 divided by 3. 4. So 15 and the GCD of 15 and 12 is 3. Okay, understand? Another example. What is your question? Wala. Okay. Another example. 12 and 18. What is the GCD of 12 and 18? A number that can divide 12 and 18. Okay, Marie Antoinette.
6 po, Ma'am.
6. Okay, 12 divided by 6, 2. 18 divided by 6, 3. Okay, now, you already understand what is GCD, so let's proceed to our topic. Our topic is GCD. Of course, the prime factors and the greatest common divisor of common divisor. So GCD. GCD, the greatest common divisor of two or more integers which are all non-zero, is the largest positive integer that divides each of the given integers. Pareha atong example na ko ganina. What is the GCD of 12 and 15? What is the GCD of 12 and 18? So this one, GCD of x and y. The GCD of x and y. Example, GCD of 12 and 32. What is the GCD of 12 and 32? Mali, 36 pala. 36. Okay, what is the GCD of 12 and 36? A number that divides 12 and 36. Okay. Dito na natin sulat. GCD of 12 and 36. GCD of 12 and 36. So, we will find a number that can be divided into 12 and that can be divided into 36. So, 12 over 36. Let's try a number 4. Let's try number 4. Let's try 4. Let's put it 4 over 4. 12 divided by 4. GCD of 12 and 36? So no.
No, ma'am.
The GCD must be the largest number that can be divided by 12 and 36. That can divide 12 and 36. So what is the largest number that can
6.
divide to 12?
6.
Say, let's try 6. 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 36 divided by 6.
7.
7. 6. Okay. So, the GCD, the largest or the greatest common divisor is 6. 6. Is 7 can divide 12? No, because 12 divided by 6 is 2 and 7 is not divisible by 12. So, now you already understand how to find the GCD of a given numbers. So, I have here a theorem. A theorem that can also find a divisor or a common divisor of a given integers. This is the Euclidean algorithm. Narinig niyo na ba in your past years ang Euclidean algorithm?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, the Euclidean algorithm. So, it calculates the greatest common divisor of two natural numbers which we will put A and B, or this one. The GCD of A and B is the only natural number D, such that D divides A and B. D divides A and D divides B. So, if K is an integer that divides both A and B, then K divides D. So far, let's not just focus on this meaning. So, I will give you an example for you to understand more. So, find the find the GCD of 270 and 192. Okay, let's find the GCD. We will focus on the algorithm or Euclidean algorithm theorem, or the Euclidean algorithm, which is, okay, how to find the GCD. Let's focus on in this example, and let's not base on this one kay mas malito kayo. So, dito tayo mag-base sa ibibigay ko na example. Okay. To find GCD of 270 and 192, let's write 270 equals 270 divided by 192. Tubag. Okay, 1. How many? 192 and 270. So, we will put here the times 192. And then, plus. What is the remainder when you divide 270 and 192? So, let's use the calculator. So, 270 minus, I divide 192. So, 1, and the remainder is 78. So, 78. This is the divisor, and this is the dividend. This is the quotient. 1 is the quotient. Then this is the dividend. The divisor rather, sorry. The divisor. Then this is the remainder. Okay, continue to get the GCD. Let's continue. We will write 192 here equals 192 divided by 78. Pila? So 192 divided by 78 is 2. 2, then we will write here the 78. 78. Then what is the remainder? What is the remainder. So, the remainder is 36. Okay, continue the process. We will write the 78 here. 78 equals, how many 78 divided by 36? Ay, sorry. 78 divided by 36. Ila? So, 2. 2. There is 2, 36 and 78. So, we will write 36 here. Plus, what is the remainder? The remainder is 6. So, that is the remainder, 6. So, next. What is the next? 36. We will put here 36. Since there is 6, mag-stop lang tayo pag yung remainder natin is 0 na ha. Pag meron pa yung 1, dapat may kasunod ka pa na process hanggang sa mag-0 yung remainder. Okay. 36 divided by 6. 6. Then, we'll put here 6. The remainder will be, so, ito na yung sinasabi ko. Pag 0 na siya, dyan ka na mag-stop. Mag-stop ng process na. 0 naman yung remainder. So, in the description, in the definition of Euclidean algorithm, the remainder should be a non-zero. Where? Oh, the definition of the greatest common divisor. The remainder should not be a non-zero. So since it is 0, the last remainder would be the GCD. 6 is the GCD of 270 and 192. So that is. To check this one, so, syempre, meron din siyang checking, something like checking para ma-prove na yung 6 is ay ang GCD ng 270 and 192. Okay. That's right here. So, mag-base tayo sa tatlong remainders na ito. So, ito yung mga remainders. Let's start first, the 6. So, ilagay natin dito, 6 is equal to 78. How many 78? So, there is only 178. 1 times 78 plus, how many 36? So, 2. These 2 here, since it is positive, we will change this into negative. So, negative 2 times 36. So, that 1. So, next, here, 36, the remainder 36. 36 equals 1 of 192 plus 2 of 78. So since it is positive, we will make it negative 2 of 78. Another 78. 78 is equal to 270. 1 of 270 plus 1 of negative 1 of 192. So, next, we will substitute using this. We will substitute the 6 equals 1 of 78 plus negative 2 of 36 in these 2 remainders. So, maintindihan nyo rin ngayon. Okay. 6. Let's put here. 6 equals 1 of 78 plus negative 2 equation. Gets? Okay. 6 equals, copy the 1 of 78. Plus, copy the negative 2. Then substitute the 36 into this equation. So, 1 times 192 plus negative 2 of 78. Okay. Substitute. Ay, mali. Ano natin siya? Express. Copy 1 of 78 plus 2 times 1 of 192. So, negative 2 of 192 plus negative 2 times negative 2 of 78. Negative times negative. So, negative. Ay, positive. Positive 4 of 78. We don't need to multiply these 2 and 192. Only the 1 and 2. Next. Then, combine like terms. 1 of 78 and 4 of 78. Then, copy this first. Negative 2 of 192 plus 1 of 78 plus 4 of 78 is 5 of 78. Gets? Okay. 6 is equal to this 78. We will substitute the equation here. The equation of the remainder 78. Okay, copy. Negative 2 times 192 plus 5. Then substitute the 78 of 1 of 270 plus negative 1 of 192. Okay. And then, substitute 2 times 192 plus 5 times 1 of 270. So, 5 of 270 plus 5 of negative 1 of 192. So, 5 times negative 1 is 5 of 192. Negative 5. Negative 5. Okay. Next. Okay, we will write here. Erase this one. Kay dili na masigo. Makasya. Okay. 6. So, 192. Combine like terms. Combine like terms. Copy. 6 is equal to 192. 192. Copy. 5 of 270. Kasi wala siyang kapareho. 270. Isa lang. So, 5 of 270 plus 2 of 192 plus 5, negative 5 of 192. Pila? So, negative 2 of negative 2 plus negative 5 of 192 is negative 7 of 192. Okay, this is the final equation. To check if 6 is equal to 5 of 270 plus negative 7 of 192, let's calculate. Calculate natin. Gamitan natin yung calculator. 6 is equal to 5 times 270 plus negative 7 times 192. So, it is 6. So, 6. So, tama yung remainder natin ay remainder natin na 6, which is the divisor is 6. GCD of 270 and ayan siya 270 and 192. Okay, gets? Gets na?
Yes,
Di
po,
pa or
ma'am.
another example pa?
Yes, po, ma'am.
Another example. I will give you more example. Another example. Let's find the GCD. The GCD of ano man? GCD of 74 and 22. So, GCD of 24 and 22. So, anong na natin gawin? 74 equals, how many 22 in 74? 74 divided by 74. So, how many 22 in 74? So, gamitin natin yung calculator. 74 divided by 22. So, meron tayong 3 times 22. So, the remainder of 74 and 22 ay the remainder of 74 divided by 22. So, we have here plus 8. Okay. 8. Next, 22. 22 is equal to 22 divided by 8. So, we have 2 times 8. So, 22 minus 16. So, we have the remainder of 6. So, hindi pa man siya nag-0. So, continue. 8 is equal to 8 divided by 6. So, 1 of 6 plus 2. 2 is the remainder. And then 2. 6. 6 is equal to how many? 2 is in 6. 6 divided by 2. So, we have here 3 of 2 plus 0. So, dili na mag-stop kay 0 naman iyang remainder. So, the last digit, the last integer, the last remainder, which is a non-zero, will be the greatest common divisor. So, the greatest common divisor of GCD 74 and 22 is equal to 2. Gets? Or shall we have more example or we will check it first? Are we going to check? Hoy, are we going to check? Wala na sila ng bag. Sige, I will give you now the assessment. Okay. Assessment na ta ha? There's no question na ba? No more question? Okay, assessment. Get 1/4 sheet, 1/2 sheet of paper. Answer this one. Answer this one. Assessment. I will give you 20 minutes to answer this. Pass your paper. Finish or not finish? Faster! We already have 5 minutes left. Okay. Copier, I will give you your assignment. That will be passed tomorrow before our class start. Before we start our class. So this is your assignment. Please copy. Copy. Assignment. Copy your assignment. Okay na, tapos na. Okay, class dismiss. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye and thank you, Ma'am Lhorvie.
Bye.